Hello and welcome to Quick Maths with Mr. Jonson. In this video, we will look at the Cambridge Igcse Mathematics Paper 4 for examination from 2025. Question number 23. Serg walks 7.9 kilometers correct to the nearest 100 meters. The walk takes 133 minutes correct to the nearest meter. Calculate the maximum possible average speed of Serg's walk. Give your answer in kilometers per hour. The 7.9 kilometer is rounded to the nearest 100 meters. Let us first convert 7.9 kilometers to meters. That's 7,900 meters. Now, first thing, they are asking us to find the maximum possible average speed. Now, when the distance traveled is more and the time taken is less, then it is obvious you will get the maximum speed, right? More distance and less time, which means there is more speed. So we need to find the upper bound of the distance. Okay, distance upper bound, which is 7,900 plus, since it has been rounded to the nearest 100 meters, 100 divided by 2, and that gives you 7,950 meters. And now, since we need less time, let us find the lower bound of the time taken. Okay, so time taken, we will find the lower bound, and that's 133 minus, since it is rounded to the nearest minute, 1 divided by 2, which is 0.5. When you subtract that, you will get 132.5 minutes. Okay, now just calculate using the formula. Speed is distance over time, which is 7,950 over 132.5. Remember, this will give the answer in meters per minute. Okay, so anyway, let's use our calculator and work out this answer. That will give us 60 meters per minute. The question clearly says, give your answer in kilometers per hour. So how do we change meters per minute to kilometers per hour? If you look at, in 1 hour there are 60 minutes, and in 1 kilometer there are 1,000 meters. So all you need to do is 60 times 60 over 1,000, cancel the zeros, which is the same as 60 times 0.06, and take your calculator and work out this. This will give us 3.6 kilometers per hour. Okay, remember, if you know 0.06 is the multiplying factor, then you don't have to do all these things. Just multiply by 0.06. This is the last question. Finally, the straight line y equal to 2x plus 1 intersects the curve y equal to x squared plus 3x minus 4 at the points A and B. Find the coordinates of A and B and give your answer correct to 2 decimal places. Let me just illustrate this roughly. The curve goes this way, and then there is a straight line that intersects the curve at points A and B. Okay, we need to find the coordinates of A and B. This is y equal to 2x plus 1. You can substitute that value in this place, because this is also y and this is also y. So what happens now? We have x squared plus 3x minus 4 equal to 2x plus 1. Subtract all of this from the right hand side. we have now x squared plus 3x minus 2x minus 4 minus 1 equal to 0. Tidy up the middle term, x squared plus x minus 5 equal to 0. This will not factorize. The indication is clearly given over here. When they say round it to 2 decimal places, you should quickly figure out we need to use the formula. Okay, the quadratic formula is x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac all divided by 2a. Now the coefficient of x squared is 1, so b is the coefficient of x, which is also 1, and c is minus 5. C is minus 5. Plug all these values into your formula. So x equal to minus 1 plus or minus 1 square minus 4 times 1 times minus 5. All of this divided by 2 times 1. Tidy up a bit. So x equal to minus 1 plus or minus 1 square is 1, minus 4 times 1 times minus 5 is plus 20 over 2 times 1 will give you 2. And then you need to branch this out for positive and negative. X is either minus 1 plus root 21 over 2, or x equal to minus 1 minus root 21 over 2, and take your calculator, and this will give us 1.79 rounded to 2 decimal places. Remember, the other x is going to be minus 2.79. Now we've found the values of x. Okay, one is minus 2.79, the other one is 1.79. Now let us take this equation here, because this is way easier to calculate the value of y rather than using the quadratic. So y equal to 2x plus 1, y equal to 2x plus 1. Let us use this value of x, y equal to 2 times minus 2.79 plus 1, and that will give you minus 4.58, and this goes over here, minus 4.58. okay, and for the next one, y equal to 2 times x, so 2 times 1.79 plus 1, and that will give us y equal to 4.58. There we go. Okay, so thank you very much for watching.